My name is Andrew Lindner. I'm a managing partner with Frontier Capital based in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are a growth equity fund based in the Southeast. We invest in high growth businesses, generally recurring revenue businesses that are providing some kind of tech-enabled business service to an enterprise customer base. We have been around for about 11 years and are based in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are technically a non-control investor, so we are not buying businesses, but rather partnering with them, providing capital on the balance sheet, partial liquidity to early shareholders and founders, and maybe most importantly, help and resources to help accelerate the growth within those businesses. So we generally partner with our companies, and the categories of resource that we bring to bear include strategic planning to help pace set and figure out the identity of the businesses in which we invest and where we're headed with them. We help with talent assessment and recruiting to help build out management teams in these businesses. We help on the exit planning. We help on the strategic building out of a institutionalized sales and marketing force. And most importantly, I think we help in the area of financial support and guidance, which is where TechCXO has been an invaluable partner for us. TechCXO does a really good job of walking that fine line of working directly with the operating business, working with management, providing them the guidance and analysis and support, while at the same time giving an investor like us the confidence that the numbers are right, the analysis is accurate and insightful without stepping over that line. They're very good at maintaining that delicate neutrality that exists in this area between the outside investor and the owner-operator running the business. TechCXO's outsourced CFO model is a great fit for our business. The businesses in which we invest generally are closing the books, they're forecasting, they're doing a good job at that. But upon bringing on an investor like us and money on the balance sheet and ready to sort of change gears in terms of their growth curve, TechCXO is terrific for us, or outsourced CFO model is terrific for us because it allows them to immediately move from tactical closing of the books to a deeper level of financial analysis, pricing models, customer by customer profitability analysis, really understanding where you're making money, where you're not making money. Firms like TechCXO, outsourced CFO function allows you with great speed to make that diagnosis on the front end to help establish what sort of financial organization you need in order to pace with the growth of these businesses. The other benefit of having an entire firm like TechCXO is the ability to moderate how much and what sort of resource you need. So some of our investments, we have to turn the financial volume from 0 to 10 right away, and then maybe back to 5, and some go to 7, and from there go to 9 or 10, and the ability to flexibly scale up and down and understand what you need on the front end, and to be able to get that at will and instantaneously from an outsourced CFO firm is a terrific tool for us and the portfolio companies in which we invest. Part of our value is in vetting the partners, the members of the orchestra that we bring to the party, and that takes time. And it's taken years for us to establish a bench of resources that we trust, that we've had multiple experiences with and can bring to bear immediately with our portfolio companies. Saves them a lot of time. It saves them a lot of stubbed toes. And TechCXO we have worked with for years now and have proven themselves time and time again with us to be one of those valued partners that we feel comfortable bringing into virtually every situation, every investment in which we make. They have demonstrated an ability to gain the trust of both us as an investor to understand that the numbers are right, that the insight is on target, as well as the trust of the CEO, founder, and the rest of the management team. So they are a particularly good fit for us, given that that relationship of trust that's fundamental to each of our non-control investments.